In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view vendor ledger account in Zoho Books. If you manage payables, the vendor ledger is your best snapshot of exactly what you owe, what you've paid, and what's still open with a specific supplier. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Zoho Books organization with the right access. To get there, start from the main dashboard and move to the left navigation panel. Look for the Purchases section. This area houses everything related to bills, vendor credits, payments made, and your vendor list. Next, choose vendors. This opens your full vendor directory, typically filtered to show active vendors. You'll see names, outstanding balances, and other at-a-glance info. If your list is long, use the search bar or filters to quickly find who you're looking for. Searching by the legal name on the bill or by a unique vendor code will help prevent mix-ups when vendors have similar names. Once you've located the right record, select the vendor to open their profile. This brings you to a detailed page that centers around their activity with your business. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct organization and currency, especially if you operate in multiple entities or handle foreign vendors. Right on the Overview tab, you can already see the vendor ledger account. This view pulls together recent bills, payments, vendor credits, and any adjustments tied to this vendor, organized in a running balance format. You'll typically see document dates, references, debits for bills, credits for payments or credit notes, and a current outstanding amount. Use the available filters, such as date ranges, to narrow the timeline if you're reviewing a specific period like month end or year end. This is also a good place to verify that credits have been applied correctly and that no duplicate bills slipped in. If figures don't look right, double check that you're not excluding inactive documents with a filter, and confirm that the vendor was selected consistently on related transactions. That's all there is to it. Open Purchases, go to Vendors, pick the vendor, and review their ledger on the overview. With this workflow, you can quickly validate balances before paying bills, answer vendor inquiries with confidence, and keep your accounts payable today.